Good morning, dear student. Today in class 6 geography, we will discuss about the continents. Already we have discussed about Asia, about Africa, about North America, about South America, about Antarctica, and about Europe. Now only one small continent is left, that is Australia. So Australia is the smallest continent among all the continent. It is the smallest and it is also an island continent and extends from 12 degrees south to 44 degrees south and 114 degree east and 154 degree east longitude. So let's see Australia in the map. You can see this is Australia, completely located in the southern hemisphere, and it is the smallest continent, and it is also called island continent because it is an island surrounded by water from all sides. You can see. Okay, so it is called a island continent. Then it is surrounded by what oceans on all sides. It is also known as the island continent. Okay, so which continent is called island continent? Australia. Then North America ranks as the third largest continent in the world after Asia and Africa. Asia is the first largest, second largest is Africa, and third is North America. Then America, the new world was discovered by Christopher Columbus. You must be knowing about Christopher Columbus or read stories about him, that he was the person who discovered North America in 1492. Yet it is named after an Italian explorer. Okay, so because when Christopher Columbus went there, he was in search of India. Okay, and so he called it as East Indies. Okay, when he went to North America, he thought that he had found India, and so he called it East Indies. But rather, afterward, when Italian explorer Amerigo Vespucci, when he went there, then he named after Amerigo, it came to be known as America. Okay, why? Amerigo Vespucci was the first person to reach the source of the mainland, that is inside the land. However, opinion differ as to who truly made the discovery, whether Christopher Columbus or Amerigo Vespucci. This is a debate. Some are of the opinion that Christopher Columbus was the first person to reach there on the, so he called it West Indies or East Indies, and then Amerigo Vespucci was the person who reached offshore or in the shores of the mainland. Anyway, this is a debate. Then we go to location, where it is located. Already in the map you had seen where it is North America located. You can see this is North America, completely located in the northern hemisphere because the equator roughly passes from here, so it is completely in the northern hemisphere. And also it is in the western hemisphere. Okay, because from here this is England, and from here the 0 degree meridian pass. Okay, that is the prime meridian, and so this side is west and this side is east, so it is also in the western hemisphere. Now we will see. North America lies completely in the northern hemisphere between the latitude 7 degree north and 84 degree north. Then the Arctic Circle runs through the north of Canada, and the Tropic of Cancer runs through Mexico. Okay, so you can see Arctic Circle is roughly Arctic Ocean. So Arctic Circle is 66 and half degree. This goes like this, Arctic Circle. Okay, that is the 66 and half degree. And the Tropic of Cancer roughly from Mexico. This area is Mexico. From here, the Tropic of Cancer pass. Also from India, Tropic of Cancer. Okay. This places the major portion of the continent in the northern temperate zone. Okay, so major part of America lies in temperate zone. Now I will tell you what is temperate zone. You can see over here, this is the Tropic of Cancer. Okay, passing through Mexico, you can see. Okay, this is the Tropic of Cancer, and north you will see that this dotted line, this is the Arctic Circle, 66 and half degree north. So land between this two dotted line, okay, from Arctic Circle to the Tropic of Cancer, this land is called the temperate zone. So major part of North America, if you see, Canada, United States of America, and half of Mexico lies in the temperate zone. This is called temperate zone. In temperate zone, the temperature is moderate, that is neither very hot nor very cold. And if you go to the above Arctic Circle, that is this area, this is called frigid zone. It is frozen throughout, very cold, extremely cold. Throughout the year it is covered with ice. And if we go south of this Tropic of Cancer, then this is called the tropical zone, equatorial zone, torrid zone. It is called torrid zone. That is the hottest zone. Okay, so this is about the zones. Already you have studied about zones. It lies between longitude 20 degree west and 180 degree west latitude. Then this places North America completely in the Western Hemisphere. Just now I was telling you about Western Hemisphere, that North America lies completely in the Western Hemisphere. Then North America is almost entirely surrounded by the Pacific Ocean in the west and the Atlantic Ocean in the east, and the Arctic Ocean in the north and the Caribbean Sea in the south. Now we will see where are these oceans. You can see Arctic Ocean in the north, it is Arctic Ocean, surrounded by Arctic Ocean. Towards the west, when we come, it is the Pacific Ocean. You can see this Pacific Ocean. Towards the east, when we come, we see the Atlantic Ocean. This area is Atlantic Ocean. And towards the south, if we see Caribbean Sea, okay, Gulf of Mexico and Caribbean Sea. So these are the water bodies which surrounds America from all sides. Then the Bering Strait separates this continent from Asia. Where is Bering Strait? You can see this is Bering Sea. Okay, so this is the Bering Sea and this side is Asia. Okay, you can see this white portion. Okay, roughly this white portion, you can see this white portion, this is Asia. This is part of Asia, and this is a strait. A strait is a narrow stretch of water which connects two water bodies and separates two landmass. That is, Asia and America is separated by this Bering Strait, and so this is called the Bering Sea. Okay, so the Bering Strait separates the continent from Asia. Then the man-made Panama Canal separates it from South America. Already I have discussed in my previous video the Panama Canal. You can see Panama is here. Panama is a country. Okay, and so this was a land connected. Okay, connecting North America and South America. So over here a canal was made connecting the Caribbean Sea or the Atlantic Ocean with the Pacific Ocean. This side is Pacific Ocean. So a canal was built over here so that the ship can go across. Okay, from Atlantic to Pacific and from Pacific to Atlantic. So the Panama Canal was made, separated from South America. Then North America is joined to South America by the Isthmus of Panama. Okay, Isthmus is a narrow strait of land. This is called the isthmus. Okay, narrow strait of land which connects two large land mass and separates two water bodies. Okay, you can see the definition of strait and isthmus. I have already discussed in my previous video. Okay, so till today we will discuss up to here. Then in the next class we will start North America political division. Okay, till then take care and stay safe and stay home. Okay, thank you.